Welcome back, students. So yesterday you spent some time researching different types of, different examples of what exists in the rainforest when it comes to the Earth's systems. So I wanted to visit that with you and ask you if you would be interested in having a Google document where you actually share some of your writing with each other and share some of your ideas and talk about it. So if people are interested, send me a Google document and let me know your thoughts, and we will set that up. I thought I would put my face on the video because I haven't done that yet for you guys, and I just wanted to say hi. Hope you're doing really well. The next thing we're going to do is go into our handbook. So not sure if you can access that on our online component. So I just wanted to share my screen with you where the handbook gives us some good information of the Earth's structures. So we're going to go ahead and point out a couple of the text features that we have here. We have the atmosphere, the geosphere, the hydrosphere, and the biosphere kind of lined up all together in one photo. Then we have this fantastic image over here of, it reminds you of different examples of the water cycle, and it's giving you a little bit of a cross-section of the Earth. And then we have our vocabulary friend down here who's pointing out to us that the word sphere comes from the Greek word for ball. So we're going to go through and read the different bits of information about the Earth's structures today. And this will take the majority of our lesson today, and then you're going to do a little bit more writing. So Earth's structures, and please track the text as I'm reading. Track the text with your eyes. All right, I'm going to kind of zoom in over here. Earth structures. Earth has air, water, land, and living things. Energy constantly flows through these different parts. This interaction of matter and energy makes up all of the structures on Earth. The two main sources of energy on Earth are energy from the sun and heat from the Earth. Earth's systems. Scientists have organized the parts that make up Earth into four main systems. These are the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, the geosphere, and the biosphere, and these systems all interact. So the atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the Earth, and they're made up mostly of nitrogen, oxygen. The atmosphere also contains water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases. The geosphere includes the solid and melted rock inside the Earth. It also includes the rock, the soil, rock pieces, and land features at Earth's surface. So hills, mountains, erupting volcanoes, and other landforms are all part of the geosphere. The hydrosphere, all of Earth's liquid and solid water, including oceans, lakes, rivers, glaciers, ice caps, that makes up the hydrosphere. The hydrosphere covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface. It exists in two basic forms, saltwater and freshwater. Most of Earth's freshwater exists as ice. Most of Earth's saltwater is in the ocean. The biosphere is a collection of all of the Earth's living things. Organisms that make up the biosphere are found from the lower atmosphere to the depths of the ocean floor. All living things are a part of the biosphere. I'm moving on to page 139. A little bit more reading here, not much. Let me scroll up a little bit more. Earth's systems interact. The biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the geosphere are all interconnected. For example, the atmosphere contains carbon dioxide, a gas that plants, part of the biosphere, need in order to make food. Volcanic eruptions in the geosphere produce carbon dioxide as well. The atmosphere also contains oxygen, the gas that animals need in order to breathe. Earth's upper atmosphere contains a layer called the ozone layer. This layer protects living things in the biosphere from the sun's damaging ultraviolet rays. Weather takes place in the lower layer of the atmosphere. Evaporation of water from Earth's oceans, part of the hydrosphere, drives most of the Earth's weather. The geosphere influences these weather patterns. For example, a mountain range can affect patterns of rainfall. As warm, moist air moves up a mountain, the air cools, the water vapor condenses, the rain falls on the windward side of the mountain. The dry side of the mountain is called a rain shadow. I never heard that. Different habitats and organisms are found on the wet and dry sides of the mountain. So that's very interesting. I never knew that there was considered to be a windward side, a dry side, or a wet side of a mountain. I love learning with you guys. This is awesome. So we're going to now go back to our Google Classroom, and you are going to open up the reflection, and you're going to do a little bit more writing there. If you need more information about Earth structures, or you want more, you can certainly search it up, or you can watch the video again to get this information. I hope you're having a great day, everybody.